guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Soya spaghetti. It is so tasty, you guys. Very easy to put together, and I'm very sure your family will love this recipe. So without no further talking, let's just go ahead and get started. Just look at that. So yummy. So yummy. If at the end of this video you liked it, please subscribe to my channel, comment, give me a thumbs up. Okay, please, it means a lot. Here are the ingredients you'll be needing: chopped onions and garlic. Then I have some bell peppers, green bell pepper, half of it, red and the yellow one, scotch bonnet peppers, 3 of them over there. Okay, and then I have some chopped carrots, tomatoes, diced tomatoes. I have oil, I have salt and seasoning cube. The Cross brand, I love them, Curry and Thyme. Then I have my soya here, pasta, and then here is some chicken, leftover chicken from my food prep. Okay, it just boiled, okay, with seasonings. I'll be adding it. So I heat up some water. I'll be adding some oil and then salt. This will enable your pasta not to stick. So I'll be adding the spaghetti and then I'll be boiling it till al dente. Then I'll be adding oil in the pan, some onions over there. Then I'll be frying the chicken, okay, for extra crispiness. Okay, so I'm checking the pasta, it's already al dente, so I'm going to drain the water and then run a cold water over it to stop the cooking process. Yes. So after that, we'll be checking on the chicken, just turning it and making sure it doesn't burn. And then we are going to take them out. Yeah, you see how golden brown it is, so crispy. So I'll be adding in some oil again in the pan to top it all, and adding in the chopped onions and garlic, stirring it a bit, frying it a bit, and then I'll be adding in some thyme. Yeah, this will bring out the flavor of this dish, okay? And then some curry powder as well into the oil, scotch bonnet pepper, and then also I'll be adding in the bell peppers. You guys, this process makes your dish, you are building in a nice flavor to this dish. Okay, I added in the 3 bell peppers, half of it though, and then bay leaf, and then I'm adding in some the chopped tomatoes, the diced tomatoes, yes. So I'm going to give it a quick stir and then allowing it to fry. Okay, I'll be adding in some salt as well. This will make the tomatoes to turn mushy very fast. Yeah, to help them to turn mushy and cook quickly. That is the secret. Okay, so look at that, the tomatoes are turned mushy. I'm going to give it a quick stir. So I'll be adding in the seasoning cubes, the 2 seasoning cubes, some curry powder. Please check the description box for the list of ingredients and then the measurements. Okay, so giving it a quick stir now. I'm adding in the chopped carrots. Yeah, and then giving it a quick stir again. Make the carrots cook. Okay, so we're just going to stir it up, and then I'm adding in the soya and the chicken. I love soya pasta. So I'm going to add half cup of water to that and then give it a nice stir. Okay, just stir it up and then allowing it to cook for a bit. This will enable the soya to release all of those smokiness, yeah, and the taste of the soya will induce into the sauce. I'm tasting it and then adding in some salt because it needed a little more salt, but please be mindful of salt, okay? You don't want too much salt. So I'm adding in the remaining bell peppers. This one I'm adding is just for color, okay? Yeah, and then some crunchiness. Yeah, okay. So I'm adding in the pasta now. Yeah, adding your pasta bit by bit, and then giving it a quick stir, mixing everything together. Yeah, making sure that the sauce is entering this pasta. Yeah, this is the secret, you guys, to make your pasta taste better. So turn it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this dish was so good, you guys. It was so yummy, it was so delicious. I loved it and I enjoyed it. This can serve as dinner, lunch for the kids, take to school. I'm tasting it for you guys. Yeah. I'm tasting this dish. Just look at that. Little bit of everything. The suya. Oh my god, look at that. See that thumbs up. Please give me one, okay? I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.